The school teaching, which we are following up now, the online lectures which we are taking. Teachers, can you believe teachers have to work very, very, very hard? It is far more, I would like to say, 5 times more hard work that what a teacher will do in a school. So the time has changed. Even teachers, school management, they are trying to work hard. They are trying to come at that level. Teachers need to make presentations. They are working really. It's a tough time for them as well. 24 hours they are working. Anytime they are getting calls from parents, anytime they are getting messages. Then school meetings are there being organized at any point of time. So, what you all feel? You need to pay school fees, you need not pay. Choice is yours. But still, they are trying their level best for enhancement of your child, for future of your child. They are taking efforts, and they are taking, maybe they are not sleeping by the night. They are still awake because they have to do their work. They have so much burden right at this stage, and you parents are not supportive enough. So it is not about favor of a school, it is not about favoring all teachers, but what are teachers up to? I would like to know the answer. What are these teachers up to? Still online, now the future is online, and very well they're getting addicted towards this online Zoom apps, WebEx, and all, whatever is going on in schools. So, where they are lagging, where teachers are not putting efforts, it is far more better than what a teacher will do in a classroom. So, I am just asking a question to everyone. Are you in support of teachers or are you against them? Just realize the value, realize how tough it is for them to survive with this kind of environment, looking after everyone, looking after their kids, looking after their family, doing their work, getting messages from parents, getting messages from school, being updated, attending meetings, attending sessions. Even Sundays are no more Sundays. But we'll say it is lockdown. Nobody's working. So why to pay fee? See, choice is yours. Teachers are the future. It is rightly said, I think. Teachers are the future of your child. Then, and it is a need of our that we have to go with this kind of lifestyle. We have to adapt this kind of teaching. And teachers are really working out. Schools are really working out. Don't you feel like resetting the timetable, resetting the activities, coordination with all the teachers sitting at home? It is not that easy. I hope you agree with my viewpoint, what I'm trying to tell. Still, you can make your child's future. I hope you cannot spoil a full year being sitting down at home and waiting for the schools to reopen. In foreign countries, our future is all virtual. Even we are doing lots of courses, online courses, virtual courses to enhance ourselves, to update ourselves. Still, you can put in comment box if you are having any, if you are against what I said. Yeah, till then, goodbye. So, time has come to motivate even your teachers, along with everyone. Everyone is getting appreciation. We can understand they're doing lots of work. Doctors, they have a full team. They're also busy taking their life at risk. But nobody pointed out teachers, educators. Who made them doctors? These teachers. Who made them police inspector? These educators. These teachers. So it all comes from teachers. But teachers are not getting appreciation a single time. They are continuously proving themselves, but still no appreciation. They play a vital role for a country. They play an essential role for our country. But what we countrymen are doing, we are still in deep sleep. We are still in hibernation. So, I would like you to wake up and respect and show some kind of courtesy towards all the teachers which make our future. I hope you have understood what I'm trying to say through this video. Now you have to take a call. Thank you.